Okay, this is a view inside the nuclear reactor of the Prius headlight. This is somewhat difficult to remove at times, especially if it's been on there a long time, and I recommend a strap wrench to slowly, gently open it up. Then you can easily disconnect the socket. That's just a half turn, or actually more of a quarter turn, and that'll disconnect. Now, the headlight, as you can see, is still in there. And that's very easily removed. You can refer to the book on how to remove that. But what we were interested in is the plutonium core, of course. And that's removed by removing this cover, which is 4 screws, very easy to do. And then to remove the plutonium core, of course, you just remove the 2 screws holding it, there and there. And there is one electrical connector which is already slipped down inside, and that's right here. There's a small clip that I actually have broken off, and that can be removed using a flathead. I don't recommend opening this up. It seems a little unstable, but we're going to be replacing this, and I'll show you when the new one is completed. By the way, if you want to know to remove the headlight, it's real simple to do. You just push these 2 clips down, and that releases the spring clip for the whole thing. The spring clip rotates up, and then you very carefully take the headlight out. Do not touch the glass. And this headlight is good. I know it's good. It doesn't twist when it sits back down in here, interestingly enough. It just literally sits. That's all it does. And then the clip holds it down. All right, I'll put the new plutonium core back, and we'll be back in a second.